There we go. Going really well now. Even at 25 psi. Slow it down a bit. I put a bigger burner in. I put a 2-inch burner in. Look at that tick over now. That timing is superb. Sounds like a fishing boat. That is incredible. Look how slow that's running now. I'm so pleased with that. I put a 2-inch burner in, so you can see it. And I've had to change the safety valve. So the safety relief valve, because I've got a problem with the other one. Go. So pleased with this boat. And she's increasing now, look. It's going up to, what was it, probably 30 psi now that she's holding. You know, it's not a warm day here. That's really good. You can see she's climbing on the gauge. Look at that. She's nearly at 50 psi now. Just love the colour of this wood. Fantastic. It's going to take off. If I open her up now, look, she's nearly at 40 psi. It just takes off. That's fantastic. So she's at 40 psi now, no trouble at all, so that's quite fast enough. It really is an interesting project, this is. I'm really pleased with it. Let's turn the gas down a bit. No leaks. Great. Going really well. That's superb. Wait till I get the surveys on it. That's going to be some boat. I think I'm going to hang on to this. I'm not going to sell it. I spent too much time on it. 40 psi, no trouble at all. Sorry for the shakes. That is some boat. I just don't open her up. Just a bit. Yeah, 40 psi, no trouble. Well, I hope you like that, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching these videos. Here we go.